Hey MNTV family! Today we are doing the first unboxing video that we've ever done on this channel, and I am going to be unboxing this silly clay or magic clay that I got at the Stampede in the BMO Center. So let's get started. So first it has some tools in it. Nice. Then got like things that you can make and all that. Instruction manual. And then it has 12 different types of clay in it. So in this one it has a pink, a red, a yellow, a green, another really light pink, another yellow, like magenta color, a purple, another green, an orange, a blue, and a gray. And then it also comes with a bunch of like stencils that you can make things with. So there's a butterfly, a dolphin, a car, a strawberry. So for the stencils, there's a car, a dolphin, a bird, a strawberry. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of cool. A butterfly. It looks like an ice cream or a milkshake. And then a flower. So that's really cool. So let's open up one of the clays and check it out. So I'm gonna open this magenta one. So let's see how it is. So when you get it, some of them might, like the plastic will like poop over, but that's kind of cool. Ooh, this is like really soft, nice. At first it's like kind of a bit like, it feels like it's like there's like water on it. It's like really soft, really stretchy. You can, if you roll it up in a ball, like when I was getting it, a person told me if you roll it up in a ball, it bounces like a bouncy ball. So that's really cool. Really soft and stretchy. You can make things with it. So I was just kidding. So how about we try using one of these stencils now? I'm going to use this one. The one that we don't really know what it is. Well, that kind of looks like kinetic sand when it comes off. Oh, look at that. It like actually worked. It's like pretty cool. And it's just like, now it's like a half circle because I just cut it in half. That's really cool. Oh, also, when I was getting it, she said that it was non-toxic, doesn't stick to clothes, and it is vegan. So that's really cool. So all the moms and dads that are out there concerned about those things, it's like it's really good. It would keep you occupied for like quite a while. It doesn't make like a big mess. So it's like, so as you can see, it's like spread it around on the table. And it can just come right off. So this is good for like people who like crafts or like slime or clay, things like that, or kinetic sand. And also in the BMO Center at the Stampede, there is this kinetic sand, but that was like $30 just for like a box like this size. And this box was $18, but so that was really cool. Well, that's it for the magic clay. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want some of your own, go to the BMO Center, the Stampede, and check out Liz's magic clay booth. And if you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. And it would really help us out if you also hit dropped a comment too. Thanks, bye.